Well, summer's winding down. The kids, well, a lot of them already back in school. Then the last thing you want to think about is, what are we going to cook for dinner?
That's right, and here to help with some time-saving weeknight dinner ideas is Elizabeth Madetosh. She's the chef and also founder of Lisa Michelle Lifestyle. Good to see you.
Hi, nice to see you too. Nice to see you
Good
too.
to see
Got
you.
a lot of food.
We
we'll get
did,
to.
yes.
Let's first of all talk about the inspiration behind everything that you're doing here, and also for those who are like me, a little intimidated in the kitchen, needing to do it every night. We need some advice.
Absolutely. So I'm a single mom, and my kids, we're first of all, kids today are becoming more and more savvy. They're real foodies, and we got bored with the mac and cheese, all of that on the regular rotation. So let's elevate this, but let's keep it simple.
Yeah.
So, and dinners are the time we sit around the table and we get to connect after a crazy busy day, crazy busy week. And today was the first day of school.
It was
So,
for a lot of kids.
let's get to it. Let's start with, some elevated, easy to make food. All right. So we've got chicken piccata right there. Okay.
You call it one-pan chicken piccata?
One-pan chicken piccata. Now it sounds like elevated and complicated, maybe too sophisticated. Not at all. It's literally all in one pan, and you can even buy chicken fillets already filleted for you. And all you're doing is chicken broth, butter, garlic, capers.
And then
Boom.
cook it for how long?
Cook it 4 minutes each side.
4 minutes?
4 minutes. You
Okay.
just want to, because it's thin, you just want to get that nice brown crust.
Very tasty.
And because you flour it, it already gets that creaminess once you add the chicken broth.
Okay.
There we go. Those hearty, set it and forget it, and you come home from work, you just add the last few
Yum.
ingredients. In 20 minutes, dinner's ready.
And a little side of bread.
A little side of crusty bread,
Yeah.
delicious. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, so yummy.
It is really good.
All right, you got a demonstration for us? You're going to make
I'm gonna scoot over
meatless
like
veggie
I'll
rolls?
switch
Yes,
over.
you're gonna stand with me over here. All right, so we're doing the Meatless Monday. Well, it's all kind of meatless, right? We're gonna do a veggie roll up. So I've got eggplant, zucchini, and for you, I've got an eggplant. If you'd like to follow along, I'm gonna
Alright.
demo it. We've got ricotta and spinach, and a little bit of garlic and some Italian aromatics. I'm just rolling it up like that, and I've got a pan already ready here. We're just gonna snug it in right there,
Oh.
and then you guys get to go ahead and try, and I'm gonna steal a napkin, and you come in and try, and you're just going to roll them up and put it into the dish right here. There you go.
I was gonna say, as a former vegetarian and now vegan, Meatless Mondays are a great way if one of your kids is wanting to be vegetarian, is just to try it once a week. Meatless Mondays.
Exactly.
You're going to be alive on Tuesday. I
Yeah,
promise.
absolutely.
And try that.
We're not
And
gonna
that
eat
way
that.
you start.
We're
We're not going to.
Well,
Oh,
you can eat it if you want. Yummy. That's delicious.
We're not gonna
put it in here. We're gonna bake it, but this is already baked. We're gonna bake
good?
them, and then we're going to pour
cold, but yeah.
over. We're gonna pour over the passata just like that.
what's passata?
Passata is a tomato sauce. You can use your
Oh,
favorite
okay.
store-bought tomato sauce, or you can make your own. I've made my own. And then we're gonna top it with some of the
Oh, the breadcrumbs.
The breadcrumbs. So this
Oh,
is
and that's
panko
what it turns out to
and
be.
Parmesan, and we're
Okay.
gonna top it like that, and then bake it.
Perfect. All right, what are these?
These are arrayas. So these are North African,
You have one.
if you will, chicken. You can use chicken, lamb, ground beef, turkey, whatever you like. And they're filled with aromatics, delicious aromatics of different herbs, red pepper. You're gonna toast them up on a pita bread.
All right.
Enjoy that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And boom, you've got yourself a great
That's really cool. That's very
snack.
hearty.
Yes.
And then all the sweet tooth folks out there.
brownies.
Yes.
One bowl brownies, because at the end of the week you need something sweet. You
Yes.
gotta reward yourself with something sweet. And these are, of course, one bowl fudgy
Oh,
brownies.
my
Look at how
goodness,
gorgeous
that looks
those
like
look.
trouble.
Yeah, with that crinkly top. One bowl and
Yes.
you're done.
Okay, and that recipe's pretty easy.
Oh yeah, they're all
Okay.
up on my website.
Okay,
And they're
perfect.
all up there right now. You can download them all on my blog, and it's easy weeknight dinners.
All right,
Okay.
Elizabeth, thank you so much.
Thank
Delicious.
you.
This is what I'm going to be eating for soup.
Yeah.
I mean, for lunch.
For lunch, yeah.
More information on Chef Elizabeth and her recipes, you can go to her website. You can also follow her on Instagram.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
All right, let's check in with Kirk. Oh my goodness, you got the bears behind you.
I got the bears.